10 minutes after 10 a.m. on April the 16th, 2024. Heading for a hike into this area that is east of Arizona 88 near mile marker 205. Hiking a road, then a trail. Do some exploring in the area of the 4 mini peaks. Hillside of fairy dust or bushes. A few hedgehog. Some buckhorn. Ugly cat's claw come from down there. And the trail heads up this way. But I see an offshoot trail that heads off to the west. I want to explore this for a bit, see where it leads. See a large boulder. Looks like there's a pathway over here. Could just be a animal trail, but it may open up into something more interesting. So let's keep going for a while. I seem to be picking up a trail right here, unless it just leads to an animal rest stop right at the base of this hill. Seem to be picking up this trail again. I think it makes a turn to the south. I stopped to do a bit of trail maintenance around these 2 cacti. They're quite thick. I'm going to take this trail around to the other side and see what's over there. There's where I started the hike about 40 minutes ago, following the road and the terrain. Not sure if that's a trail or not, but it sure does look like one, but I'm not quite ready to go higher. I'd rather go lateral a little farther around to the other side. This kind of looks like a cairn, but it's probably not, just a rock that fell over. Hope I don't fall over. See how close I am to the highway, so I can't get lost. As long as I can see the highway and read the mile markers, I'll know where I'm at. Getting into some brittle bushes. Pathway through the brush. I survived the drainage. It would have been rougher crossing it lower. Still following the road. I'm about to get over to the other side and see what's over there. No, 11:20. Come from over there. This is the landscape to the west. Here I am heading up to the top of this ridge, or part of this ridge. You can see cars coming from the south. There's a drainage that leads up there. Here's the rock formation that's before me, or beside me to the east. My car's parked over there on the west side of the road. I'm on the east side of the road. But I see a trail or a road that goes lateral north-south on the opposite side of where I'm at. So I'm intending to drop down to the road down here, cross the other side, and go up to that trail or road and back to the car. There's a narrow drainage here, which I'm following in and out so I can get down to the road safely. You start sliding on the loose rock, you're not going to like what the outcome is. Slowly but surely making it down off the ridge to the road. Just have a little farther to go. Okay, the road south, the road north. I'm safely across the road. Down into the beast. Slowly does it. A lot of garbage dumped down here. Somebody probably had a campsite or an automobile had an accident. Probably a snake underneath it. No, just a piece of rubber, piece of metal over there. I'm headed across towards my automobile. Could take the easy way, taking the road the rest of the way. There's the drainage drop, so I'm going to have to cross over a drainage, but thankfully it's dry right now. Is that sign telling me I'm going the wrong way? I don't know. I think I'm going the correct way. Up I go through the brittle bush blossoms. There's south from whence I came. I was going to drop down into the wash, but further back, but you see the issues. The trail that I would connect to is going to be right over here by the cactus there and the pole. That's probably a maintenance road for the telephone pole, power poles. Okay, my car should just be right up there somewhere. Okay, I'm approaching parking lot where the Jeep Liberty is. So I should be there in less than a minute. The hike will be over.